project, you'll need a bra, some E6000 glue, some lace, and some scissors, which I actually don't have pictured. The first thing you're going to do is remove the cups from the bra. I'm actually only removing half of my cups because I want to keep that extra push-up padding. What I'm doing is being careful to only cut the foam and not the fabric so that I can pull it tight over the edge and create a nice, clean, seamless look. I'm just going to cut right along this line, being really careful not to cut any of the hems and leaving just a little bit of foam to use as an anchor when I glue it down in the back. And see, so the lace is just going to go on top right like that. Going in with my trusty E6000 glue, just going to go right along that little foam strip that we left and glue it down. Now E6000 does like to slide around a little bit when you first stick it, but it's okay, just keep sticking it, and once you get the whole piece down, add something weighted to it, leave it for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then you can go back to work and it'll be completely dry and stuck. Another really helpful tool that I found kind of in the process of doing this was safety pins. I really liked being able to pin the lace to the bra so that it didn't move around when I tried to glue it down. I'm going to go right along the edge, gluing that lace really right at the top. I don't want it too far down on the bra. And this is a finished cup. Just repeat the process for the other side. Moving on to the back, we're going to actually glue the lace all at the bottom to kind of create a band. Be sure to get the pretty side of the lace facing down so that that's the side that's out when you actually turn the bra back around. Y'all already know it's E6000 time again, and we're just going to take it all down the bottom of the back. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me doing the entire back, but it's literally just the same process of E6000 glue right along that bottom edge. Mademoiselle, the bra is done. You look beautiful, you look stunning. Paris Fashion Week, here we come. Valentine's Day, ooh la la. Working it, killing it, fabulous.